Alrighty, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to be making a bit of a scrap material build. I'm thinking about making a knife. For the blade material I'm going to be using this piece that you saw me cut earlier. This is a bit of a plow edge for plowing snow. If you're from south of the Mason-Dixon or in an otherwise warm climate, this is what they are and what they do. Just a bit of the plow that's in contact with the pavement gets dragged along and slowly gets worn down over time, and you just replace it after it gets too worn down. I've been told they're high carbon steel, so should work out pretty well for a knife. And this is a stick. You might have seen them before. They grow on trees. They look like those. I believe this is an oak of some type. I'm going to be using this for the handle. And for the finger guard and the pin, I'm going to be melting down some of these spent casings. These are 223. And I have these laying around because America. So before we go through the hassle of making a knife, I'm going to make sure that this is a carbon steel. I got some mild steel, railroad spike, which is more of a medium carbon steel, and a piece of spring steel here. And I'm going to spark test all three and also spark test the material, the plow edge, and see how it compares to these three. Okay, I hope that picked up on the video, but the sparks coming off of this guy are most comparable to the spring steel, the stuff I know is high carbon. And that's really good news because I got a ton of it. So we got a brand new shiny billet. I'm gonna light the forge and we can start thinning it out. I'm gonna keep this side of the billet as the front of the blade because it's got that angle cut into it already, just the way the plow is shaped. That way I'll get less fish mouthing as we taper it down. That's the plan at least. So we're getting somewhere. So I'll take it a little further, get the tip forged, and we'll take it from there. Alright, so we're looking good. I'm going to forge in some bevels, maybe trim the tang one more time, make sure everything's straight. Yeah, work on some final proportions, and then we should be good to grind. to make sure she's nice and straight. And then we'll go through at least one normalization cycle before we hit the grinder. One thing I'm not sure of is how this steel hardens. I'm just going to assume it's a non-air hardening steel. I'll try to cool it as slow as possible with what I have. And, hopefully it's not hard when it's done cooling. So I'm going to leave it there for tonight, and we'll get grinding in the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure you subscribe so you know when the next episode comes out, and I'll see you then.